Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Angelica Schuyler from the Schuyler sisters from Hamilton in Dressroom Press. So let's get started with the video. I'm not going to remove the ones I did adjustments on, which is the hair. I use this hair in just black, and for this hair, the third toggle in these adjustments, Y 0.46, Z 0.78, and rotate the X to 0.68. For the outfit, I did use a VIP item, but you can switch out the skirt with the which one if you don't have this. Color it this color, FFAB9B, and turn off see-through, and color everything the same in silk. And then I'm also going to get this in just train in silk as well here. And then I'm also going to get, what else did I get from here? Oh gosh, I truly don't remember. Okay. I'm also going to get this dress in skirt only, in this color in silk, and then in that color in silk as well. Oh, I'm also going to get this top in this color in silk, and then just in that color, and then in white for the bow. For the sleeves, we're just going to use this one. Toggle only sleeves in this color and in white. Then I'm just going to get the earrings from VIP. I also added one more top actually, so I'm just going to get this one first from VIP, and I didn't really color that one. Then I use this corset. Color it this color first in silk, and then white, and then white again, and then white, and then that same peach color. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!